In today's video, I'm going to teach you a very common method. Create a form, lead magnet, opt-in, sign-up form, and attach an automation so that when people submit the form, Kajabi treats them as contacts and automatically does something, like subscribe them to an email sequence, assign a tag, grant an offer, etc. Here's the big idea. You'll set up a Kajabi form that captures a visitor's details, and then connect an automation so Kajabi instantly knows what to do next. That way, the moment someone opts in, they become a contact, and your follow-up happens without you lifting a finger. Start by heading to the marketing area and opening forms. This is your hub for all opt-ins and lead capture points across your site. If you're building a new funnel, you can create a fresh form. If you already have a form collecting leads, you can open that one to attach the automation. Either way works the same. As you work, give your form a clear name so you'll recognize it later, and make sure the fields you collect align with what you actually need. Now, scroll to the bottom of the form settings until you see the automation section and click Add Automation. Think of automations as, when this happens, then do that. The trigger is the form submission. Your job here is to define the action that should fire next. Choose the then action that fits your goal. Subscribe to email sequence is perfect when you want a welcome series or nurture emails to start right after the opt-in. Grant offer is great if you're delivering a freebie, trial, or instant access to something gated in Kajabi. Add tag helps you segment your audience so you can filter contacts, target future campaigns, or trigger other workflows. You can pick one action or layer multiple actions so a single form submission can handle everything you need in one go. When you've set the action the way you want, click Save. From this point on, every time someone submits that form, Kajabi automatically adds them as a new contact or updates their existing contact record, and your automation runs immediately. If the person already exists in your database, Kajabi will update their profile rather than creating a duplicate, and any tags or sequences you've assigned will apply right away. This keeps your list clean and your follow-up consistent. That's all there is to it. You've linked your form to an automation, so signups turn into organized contacts and timely actions every single time.